appreciate you trusting Azar Pixel with your module repairs. Today we're going to go over a couple of items that we're going to need in order to successfully repair your modules. The first thing is going to be a way to light up those modules. What we're going to ask for is either going to be a spine or a test kit, and I have a couple of examples of both. The first one is going to be a spine, which is basically what you plug your modules into. What this will do is it'll allow us to locate the damaged pixels and repair them, and once they're repaired, it also allows us to go back through and quality check the repairs that we've completed. The next thing we can use to light up a module is going to be a test kit. This is what a generic test kit might look like. They vary in shape and sizes, but they're all going to have some of the same components. So we're looking for the connector that's going to connect from this to the module, as well as the main board. Those are going to be two of the main components of your test kit. As you can see, they do come in a variety of shapes and sizes, depending on the manufacturer. So they can definitely look different depending on who your manufacturer is. What we're going to need with those as well are going to be the data cables. As you see, there are different data cables based on manufacturer, so we want to make sure that we use the data cable that was designed for your modules. So the next thing we're going to talk about are going to be the pixels. It's important with LEDs that you use pixels from the same batch that the wall was manufactured with. Basically, think of it like a recipe. If I cook a recipe one way and you cook the same recipe with the same ingredients, there's going to be slight variances in that recipe. Now, that may translate into tasting just a little bit different. With LED lights, that actually translates to different colors. So your greens may be softer from one pixel to another, your blues may be brighter from one pixel to another. There are going to be inconsistencies if you use pixels from a different batch. So what we recommend is using the replacement pixels from the original batch. If you don't have any of these available, or if the manufacturer's out, we have come up with a way to harvest those pixels from your modules. Basically, what we can do is take a module from the same batch and pull pixels off of that module and replace the damaged modules that way. We can also use a donor module to replace the ICs on the board. So a donor module is actually a win-win in a lot of ways. It'll save you a lot of money and time looking for spare parts. The last thing we're going to talk about today are going to be shaders. These are also known as masks. Basically what these do is these will lay on top of your LED wall and protect your LEDs. They also provide shading for the pictures to create the best image. Whenever you have damage like this, it does a couple of things. It causes your LED wall to be exposed to potential damage. It also creates a less than ideal viewing experience for your customers. We always recommend replacing shaders every time you get a wall repaired. This is what a new shader looks like, and as you can tell, it's going to have a completely different viewing experience from this one. Now, we also understand that shaders can be difficult to find. The manufacturer prints only so many of them, and once they're out, they're out. We actually have a way to source shaders, but please keep in mind that if we do need to source shaders, it can take a little bit of extra time, and it may extend the repairs by a month or two, so just be mindful of that. So those are going to be the items that we're going to need to repair your LED modules in a timely fashion. If you do have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name's Robert, and you can reach me at 972-707-0801, or you can email me at wilson, WILSON, at azarpixel.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.